Ogi! Shmai pawb, ydych chi'n barod i ymarfer corff heddiw? Is everyone ready to exercise today? Mr Ffit dwi, a croeso i Mr Ffit a 5 munud i symud. Dwi'n dwlu ar cadwch heini. I am Mr Ffit and welcome to the Fit Factory. I love keeping fit. A few shout outs before we start. Machen Primary, Mrs E Teach, Ysgol Bai Baglen, Year 5 and 6, Tre Uchaf Primary, and Halfway School. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Thank you very much for following me on Twitter. If you do want to follow, it's @fitmister. Diolch. Felly, heddiw, rydyn ni'n mynd i wneud 5 symudiad. 20 eiliad i symud a 10 eiliad i orffwys. Today we're going to do 5 exercises. 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off. Symudiad cyntaf ydy jumping jacks. The first move is jumping jacks. Nice and easy. Yr ail, the second, is squat kicks. The trydydd is the plank. The third is the plank. Y pedwerydd, fourth, plank jacks. A symudiad olaf, the last move, high plank, shoulder taps. Iawn? Byddwn ni'n wneud cylchred 2 waith. We're going to do the circuit twice. Barod? Ready? 20 eiliad. 20 seconds. 3, 2, 1, ewch. Jumping jacks. Tri, 2, 1, stopiwch. Symudiad nesaf. Squat and kick. 3, 2, 1, ewch. Pump. 4, 3, 2, 1, stopiwch. Symudiad nesaf, plank. Barod? 3, 2, 1. Deg eiliad i fynd. Pum, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ymlaciwch. Symudiad nesaf, plank jacks. 3, 2, 1, ewch. Tri, 2, 1, ymlaciwch. Symudiad olaf, shoulder taps. 3, 2, 1, ewch. Deg eiliad i fynd. 3, 2, 1. Da iawn. Stopiwch. Ymlaciwch. Ardderchog. Da iawn bawb. Excellent work. Un cylchred eto. The same circuit again. Keep it going. Dal ati. 3, 2, 1. Ewch. Jumping jacks. Tri, 2, 1, stopiwch. Symudiad nesaf. Squat and kick. 3, 2, 1, ewch. Pump. 4, 3, 2, 1, stopiwch. Symudiad nesaf, plank. Barod? 3, 2, 1. Deg eiliad i fynd. Pum, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ymlaciwch. Symudiad nesaf, plank jacks. 3, 2, 1, ewch. Tri, 2, 1, ymlaciwch. Symudiad olaf, shoulder taps. 3, 2, 1, ewch. Deg eiliad i fynd. 3, 2, 1, da iawn. Stopiwch, ymlaciwch. Ardderchog bawb, da iawn. Excellent, well done. Dewch yn ôl yn fwy o'r Mr Ffit yn y dyfodol. Join me next time for another workout coming soon. Follow on Twitter @FitMister and subscribe on YouTube. Diolch yn fawr iawn a cofiwch i symud. Hwyl am y tro!